is simply defined as any push or pull exerted to a body. Moments is created by force or weight moved through a distance. Resultant force is the combined effect of two or more forces acting at a point. Resolution of forces means the separation of a single force or motion into two or more which have different directions, and, taken together, are the equivalent of a single one. An object is being pushed by a force of 200 newtons, and another force pulls the object in the same direction with a force of 300 newtons. Find the resultant force moving the object. Component force, pushing, is equal to 200 newtons. Component force, pulling, is equal to 300 newtons. Resultant force is equal to 500 newtons. It is the sum of the two component forces acts in the same direction. A force, which is 200 newtons, is being applied towards an object. Another force of 500 newtons is being applied in opposite direction, towards the same object. Find the resultant force. Component force, towards an object, is equal to 200 newtons. Component force, towards an object, is equal to 500 newtons. Resultant force is equal to 300 newtons. It is the difference of the two component forces acts towards the object. Moments of mass means the force of a gravity is considered constant, then the weight of bodies is proportional to their mass, and the resultant moments of two or more weights about a point can be expressed in terms of their mass moments. A 3 meters plank is supported under its mid-length. Having a mass of 10 kilograms, placed at a distance of 0.5 meter from the end. Its distance from the center of the plank is 1 meter. A second load, having a mass of 30 kilograms, placed at a distance of 1 meter from the other end of the plank. Its distance from the center of the plank is 0.5 meter. Resultant moment is equal to 5 kilogram meters. Clockwise. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and click the notification bell, for you will be updated for our next upcoming video.